I started putting on a snowplow on my UT 400 Coleman, and I bought a Denali snowplow from the ATV Superstore. I've got the base plate mounted, and I wanted to show you guys an easy way to do this, and I think it's the correct way to do it for less than $15. The problem with the kit that comes is the U-bolt length and some of them the spacing length. So the two videos already on YouTube about this, the guys are welding, putting in spacers, and doing all kind of weird stuff. I found the exact fitting U-bolts that work perfectly. I bought them from Tractor Supply, and I will put that information in the description. There's the receipt. And I'm going to get up in here and show you what it looks like. So I used the same configuration that the gentleman used on the long video, and I caught two frame rails, and there's a picture of the bolts, and you can see I probably only have an inch below that frame, but they both bolted up and went up perfectly, and being a U-bolt, they actually fit really tight. So there's the other side, and then the back frame rail, you can see where you had to put that extra piece to catch both of those. So this will actually save you a lot of headache, a lot of work, and for $15, I think it'll work great. Thank you.